What's in every sentence? Nouns. Nouns are the who, what, where, or what things are. They have the names of people, places, and things. It's the most basic building block of a sentence. People. They are teacher, students, moms. Places. School, park, London. Things. We have book, phone, dog. Every noun can be singular, that is one, or plural, more than one. For example, one dog, two dogs. A student, two students. Let's find the nouns in a sentence. The girl is playing in the park with a ball. The girl is playing in the park with a ball. Can you spot them? We have girl, we have park, we have ball. So girl, park, and ball are all nouns. Practice spotting nouns everywhere. You'll be a noun expert in no time. Follow tomorrow's lesson on verbs.